Come here, follow me. Come with me. Yeah, I'm sure a lot of dogs have peed on that. Yeah. We're at the day use area. And I'm trying to wrestle him in. He's got to sniff everything, of course. Alright, come on, Copper. Come on, let's go. He gets excited. He likes going walkies. That's where we stopped. First day that we come in here, and I ate lunch. I stopped at that store and got some chicken there at the Copper. There can't be anything to sniff. Come on, Copper, come on. This may take all day. So I want him to be able to smell. That's what dogs do for fun. So, you know, he likes being able to smell everything. He's a very curious dog to begin with. And I have no idea. Copper, quit pulling. Don't pull. Hurts my knees. Alright, this is the Jetty thing. He's got to sniff that. I don't know what he's... Must be something interesting there, huh? Yeah, it's about, I don't know, I'm guessing about 11:30. I guess I could look at my watch, but I've got the camera in my hand, so dog, quit pulling, that hurts. Copper, slow down. Slow down. Don't pull. He pulls, man, it just kills my knees when he does that. I know you're excited. I don't know what the temperature is. It's not particularly warm. Ooh, there's a duck. There are 2 ducks. Them are ducks. Yeah, them are ducks. And there's 2 more up there. And a bunch up here. Yeah. This is cool. I like this. Duckies. I hope the camera isn't jiggling too much, because I can't, the sun's shining, I can't even begin to see what's in the viewfinder. Come on, dude. Copper, come on, let's get moving. That wind's cold. And he's got the leash wrapped around his leg again. I'm not even going to mess with it because they'll just... Isn't that cool? It'd be nice if it was a little warmer. I don't know what's on this other side over here, but I guess we'll find out. I may regret walking this far by the time I get done. See ducks, dude? Yeah, he says, I don't care, I just want to sniff other dogs' pee. I care less about the ducks. Yeah, you're getting some exercise, aren't you, dude? Huh? No matter how taut I try to keep this leash, he still gets it wrapped around his leg. Yeah, I don't know how he does it, but he does it every time. Stop a minute. Copper, stop. Let me get this. I don't know why I'm even messing with this, because you'll just get it wrapped around you 2 seconds later. Alright, I'm just gonna hold it a little tighter. I apologize for the camera work, but he's just jostling me. So I'm sure that the camera's bouncing up and down. It's a lot longer walk than I first thought. Ugh. Up here, she got duckies. Then it goes up further. I don't know if I want to walk that far, because I gotta keep in mind we gotta walk all this on the way back too. Like I want to walk out there in the water anyway. Copper, quit pulling. Stop it. Walk with me, not ahead of me. Area closed, no trespassing. That's a good thing they put up an impassable barrier. Oh, I guess that's to keep people from launching stuff off of there. I don't know. Copper, slow down, slow down. We got some more duckies. My knees are going to be so swollen tonight. Oh. Yeah, I'm not much of a hiker. I used to be, you know, back before my knees were destroyed. Oh. I just wanted to see what was up here. There's thorns. It's pretty. I'm just wondering what this looks like during the summer when there's leaves on the trees and all that. I bet this is absolutely beautiful. Looks like they got some birdhouses or something up there. Right there. I'm going to go up to this sign up here and see what it says. I ain't going any further. Oh, this is going to be hard enough getting back to the rig. Quit pulling. Stay with me. Stay with me. Oh. Okay. Copper, come here. Alright, nurturing the nest. The nest must protect vulnerable eggs and young from predators. Copper, stop it. You're making the camera shake. Different water birds have adapted different nest building strategies. The blue herons, upland nesters, American cooties, cavity nesters. Keep your mouth closed. If you got a cavity, then birds will be flying in your mouth. Yeah, blue herons. We used to have a lot of those around Payette. I remember when we used to go rafting, or we used to go tubing down the river, down the Payette River. We'd go up and we'd go about 10-mile stretch. We'd park one rig at the end where we were getting out. Holy crap, my legs are just torn up. And then we'd float down. A lot of times you'd see blue herons along the housing shortage. Yeah, that's for damn sure. Okay, and then this is the view from this side. You know what? You know, I like trees and all of that. You know, like forest land and all that good stuff. But something like this, it's like I say, it's got its own natural beauty that just, you know. Yeah. Copper, you keep going around in circles, wrapping yourself a leash around me. Alright, we're going to head back. Come on. You'll probably sleep all afternoon. That's one good thing though, is we're both getting, you know, doing this. We're both getting our exercise, you know. And yeah, I already know I took footage on the way in, but it always looks different when you're going a different direction. Wind through the trees sounds cool. That'd be a good place to camp right there. Along the trees in there, that'd be neat. Like I say, I still haven't been able to find out. I guess I should ask the camp host if she knows if this is man-made or if it's natural. Because I know a lot of times, like on the reserves, you know, National Reserve Sanctuary, whatever, a lot of times it's man-made, it's all man-made. Corps of Engineers, or, you know, usually something like that will develop, you know, a lake. Isn't that cool looking? I would stay here for, you know, the full 2 weeks if it wasn't so freaking cold. but it's just too cold. And it's going to be getting colder come the weekend. So again, I apologize. I'm trying to keep the camera steady, but copper keeps pulling. Copper, stay with me. Anyway, this just kind of gives you a different view, you know. Now the ducks are on this side. No, that's where they always were. It's just, you know, the fact that this jetty is here really makes me wonder if it isn't man-made. You know, although I have seen jetties kind of like this, well, not like this that go clear across, but the man-made jetties, like on the coast. You know, like on the Oregon coast. We used to walk out on the jetties there. There were some of them that they did the jetties and then they would put a lighthouse. You'd see a lighthouse at the jetty. It went out to the levee, but the levee was gone. Give it up, boy. Ooh. It's a little colder going this direction because that wind is hitting me right in the face. So anyway, we'll work our way back to the Explorer and go back to camp because I need some lunch. I just had a peanut butter sandwich for breakfast. That was it. I need some. I'm having a ramen withdrawal. Go back and make some ramen. Oh man, this looks like a long freaking way still. My knees are like killing me. Oh. But I wanted to get this footage for you guys, and I wanted to see it myself, so you know, I'll go back and lay in the tent and moan and groan. Hi, ducks. Am I ducks? Am I not ducks? Oh, yes, they are. I see wings. L-I-B. Am I ducks? Have you ever seen that joke? Oh, yeah. A bunch of ducks. A lot of ducks. Alright, I'm going to shut the camera off. Yeah, I'm getting winded. Of course, we can't have a video without my beautiful face in it. You know what I'm saying? Hello again. You know, I decided I didn't feel like cooking, so I ran back into Alamo and decided to get me some food. So I got, okay. So I got ribs. Where did she put my barbecue sauce? I saw her stick it in. Oh, there it is, underneath. They got like 8 different flavors of barbecue sauce, and she said, "Which one do you want?" And I go, "Well, one of the flavors was barbecue." I said, "Just give me the barbecue." I don't know. They had all these ones, you know, honey mustard, which I'm not real big on. Now, if they would have had just plain honey, you know, honey barbecue sauce, I love that stuff. That stuff, that's my favorite. When I used to go to There was a place where I lived in the Seattle area called Tony Roma's. I'm sure a lot of you probably heard of that. It's a chain. When I go there, they had the best honey barbecue sauce. So I got the ribs, I got 2 chicken legs, and the barbecue sauce, and a 20-ounce pop for $10. It's pretty decent. Oh, and did I find out you don't go there during the lunch hour? Holy crap, I didn't even realize because I'm going by a different time. Went in there, a place was packed, and mostly high school kids. So I guess they have a high school here? I didn't really know there were that many people in town because there were like a ton of kids in there. There was a line a mile long, but I was good. Almost got me a maple bar, chocolate bar, but $1.99. It's like, no, that's too much, and I don't need it anyway. So there's already enough sugar in all the rest of this, especially the barbecue sauce. So anyway, I'm gonna sit here and watch a little TV on my phone and feed my face. But yeah, that place is busy. I couldn't believe it. I walked in there, it was like, holy crap. And then I got there just in time because there was only actually a couple of people ahead of me in line. But when I went up to do my order, by the time I got done ordering and paying for mine, there was a line, and it was like I say, mostly high school kids. But I just felt like going there one more time because I'm not gonna. Well, I may get something for breakfast there tomorrow because I'm gonna have to get gas there tomorrow, so I'll probably grab something. Instead of wasting time. Well, no, I'm going to have to eat something to have the energy to take all this down, I guess. So I keep changing my mind, but I think one thing, and then all of a sudden another thought comes to my head. Is like, oh no, you can't do that because you've got to take all this down. Although I guess I could run into town, gas up. That might be the thing to do because run into town, gas up, get something to eat, and then come back here because we're, about 3 or 4 miles south of there. And then I'm thinking out loud. I'm tired. I didn't sleep real well last night. Because I was too cold. Kept waking up, freezing. So anyway, if I make it through tonight, then I don't plan on being in a climate where I have to ever freeze again. God, that sounds cool. I don't ever have to deal with snow again if I don't want to. That is cool. Alright, I'm going to feed my face, people. We'll talk to you later. Last time that the third ended on a Sunday, I did get paid on Friday, so it's actually happened a couple of times. I always got paid on Friday, so be praying about that for me because I really need to get out of here tomorrow. I do not want to get stuck in a blizzard. I don't like driving in that crap. I've driven in whiteout more than once. Like multiple times, and it's not fun. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you. It's nice today, but and it should be nice tomorrow. But Saturday, I'm getting out of Dodge, man. Tomorrow, if at all possible. Anyway, thought you might find that interesting. Talk to you later. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I just got a notification on my phone, and it's for Lincoln County, Nevada, which is where we are right now. And the title of it is Blizzard Warning. Shows the affected area, which of course includes Alamo. This is from the National Weather Service. Blizzard warning in effect from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Saturday. Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of up to 4 inches. Winds gusting as high as 70 miles per hour. Holy crap. Which means it's not only going to snow, but there's going to be all kinds of snow drifts across the road. You get the wind blowing like that during a blizzard. Plan on slippery road conditions. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Yeah, you think? Very strong winds could cause extensive tree damage. Whiteout conditions will be possible on Highway 93 north of Caliente. Additional details: falling snow combined with wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour will result in the potential for whiteout conditions, especially along Highway 93. Yeah. And the same system, they've got a blizzard warning issued for Lake Tahoe area as well, which I'm not going over that way. So, in Lake Tahoe area, it says blizzard warning of up to 10 feet of snow in the Sierra. Oh, man. Am I glad I'm heading south. I hope I get paid tomorrow so I can get out of here. I should. Yeah. I do not want to be stuck in a blizzard, especially with no way to heat. So, yeah, I'm going to get out of here tomorrow, hopefully. Oh, I hope.
Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Camping with Copper. Hey, that's me. Haha.